everybody, big namaste to you all. This is a video tutorial about lucid dreaming. Having a lot of questions about lucid dreaming lately, and here are my steps how to achieve lucidity in a dream. Step one, you want to decalcify I should say, your pineal gland. Your pineal gland is a gland in your head that releases all kinds of endorphins and chemicals, not only when you're awake but when you sleep. By decalcifying your by decalcifying your pineal gland, then you kind of have full control of it. It unlocks your subconscious mind. If you don't have control of your mind and your subconscious mind and your pineal gland is open, I believe your mind then to be controlled more easily. So first step is detoxification. So you want to detox your whole body. There's a few ways of doing this. I recommend personally lemon water. Lemon water is the fastest, or one of the fastest ways and cheapest ways of doing it. You need, I would say, at least 2 to 3 lemons per day. If you want more, that's fantastic. It won't take a lot of days to flush your toxins out of your body, but you want to get all the mulch out the lemons in a lemon juicer. Put it in some water, drink it first thing in the morning, last thing at night. That is 100%, and you can drink it throughout the day if you're able to, if you've got enough. If not, you know, just drink it first thing in the morning, last thing at night. Is it recording? Yeah, still recording. Sorry, ouch, that's my energy interacting with the phone. So I'm just going to carry on, see if the flash comes back on. Anyway, so lemon water. Don't eat before bed. Eat at least about 3 to 4 hours before bed. The reason for this is because if you eat before bed, your body or your brain is sluggish because it's processing, your body's still processing the food. It's better to keep your mind clear. I would advise taking some fish oil tablets. There you go, the camera's back on. Some fish oil tablets before bed, like supplements. They're supplements tablets like omega-3 fish oils, simply because omega-3 works in your brain. It activates your brain before you sleep, which is a good thing to do. If you can't get hold of them, don't worry, it'll still happen, so no panic there. Another way to detox your body, I found zeolite powder. That's zeolite, which is a carbon-based powder. It comes from natural minerals from volcanic rock, I think. So you can have a little bit of that in a glass of water, and you can drink that. That detoxes your body. Another way of detoxing your body is lime, cucumber and mint water, or any kind of water basically that is, well, it could just be water itself. You've just got to flush all the toxins out your body. You can use a lot of juices, a lot of fruits, a lot of colourful veg and fruits will help in this process. So that's detoxifying your body. And also I really want to stress the importance of a dream alarm. So we've all got a mobile phone these days, and basically you need to set about 5 alarms in one day that says I am dreaming. So when you hear like beep 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 beep, it needs to be an annoying sound, the same sound 5 times a day. And then that sound, you pick your phone up, you turn it off, but you see visually that, oh, I'm dreaming. This then carries on in your subconscious mind when you're actually dreaming. And I'm just going to check this phone is recording a second, a minute. Yeah, it's still recording because the flash has gone off. So basically what happens is, like I said, you see it 5 times a day, beep, 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 and then you dream, you will dream, and then you'll hear beep, 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 oh, and you wake up when you're dreaming. Because you can still be dreaming, and then you'll hear your phone, and you'll go, oh, I'm dreaming. That's when the magic happens. You then can fly, you can levitate and fly, you can kick ass in your dreams if there's anything going wrong. You wake up and you think, right, I'm here, what have I got to do? Lucid dreaming is very real, guys. I've had a lot of good experiences lucid dreaming, and I've had a few bad experiences when I'm dreaming. When I wake up when it's a bad one, you basically fight for the greater good. You can, like, I've woke up with burns, I've woke up with marks, because when you wake up in the lower realms, things are real. Like, it's a lot heavier, it's harder to fly, but there's things around, you can work your way out of it, you can still fight and stuff. But when you wake up in a higher density, it's amazing when you can fly. It's amazing when you meet people, because you will meet people that you know through the internet, or you'll meet people you know maybe in real life. Or even I've met John Lennon, I've met energy practitioners, I've met a lot of people while streaming, and in the astral is very, very real. I've even met my higher self. My higher self, or my soul, whatever you want to call it, has taught me energy in my dreams. Then I've remembered that, because you do remember a lot of your dreams when you wake up after you've been lucid, and this is the next step. Very important to write a dream journal or diary, or write down your dreams, or make a video log of your dreams. Very important step, because you need to sometimes look back on them. You need to know what worked, what didn't work. You always kind of remember them, and you can share them with other people. Sometimes when you wake up, like with marks or certain experiences, you can then show other people, you know, actually you're not crazy, because I've had this experience too, and you can show them your things. I hope this is helpful to you. There's one more thing I need to say. If you're a smoker, like I used to be a smoker, I'm not a smoker anymore, but if you're a smoker, I would advise to have a nicotine patch on, or those Champex tablets if you're giving up. Gosh, they give amazing lucid dreams. But if you're a smoker, if you can't get the tablets and you want to give up, or if you just want to go lucid, put a patch on. They really help, because your body is so used to the energy of the nicotine, it needs it to kind of stay lucid. And another tip is, when I was waking up in the middle of the night with my children, if they were getting out of bed, so I'd wake up 2, 3, 4 in the morning, go back to sleep, that is when I would have the lucid dreams. Lucid dreaming will make your energy ability stronger, and not only that, it will also make you more powerful in real time with your TK abilities, orbing, whatever kind of kinesis is you're doing, or energy work. It will amplify it. So it's an amazing thing to practice. So detoxify yourself. Don't eat before bed. Maybe have a fish oil. If you haven't got a fish oil, don't worry about it. Say to yourself, with a dream alarm and before bed, I am dreaming. Like, reality is a dream, I am dreaming. And then you wake up in your dream with oh, I'm awake, I'm dreaming. You remind yourself you're dreaming, and write a journal. So that's 6 kind of steps there. And have a nicotine patch if you're a smoker. That's 7 steps. Very important for lucid dreaming. I hope that helps, and maybe I'll see you in a lucid dream soon.